Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about right to repair. So right to repair is an important topic that not only influences the way we use technology but also has significant implications for our environment as well as economy and consumer rights. So the concept of right to repair is an evolving and emerging topic, and it's very important from the UPSC main examination perspective. So imagine you have a smartphone and after some time the battery starts to fail. Now instead of simply getting the battery replaced, you are faced with two options: pay a hefty fee at an official repair center or buy a new phone. This is a dilemma faced by many consumers globally, and it is what brings us to our discussion today, the moment for the right to repair. The right to repair is about giving power back to the consumers, allowing them the ability to fix their devices without being hindered by manufacturers' restrictions or high repair costs. Now, why is there such a surge in this moment? Many devices today are designed in ways that make them nearly impossible to repair outside of official service centers. For example, some manufacturers use parts pairing, ensuring only specific parts work with the specific devices. This is not just an inconvenience, it is also a strategy, a business strategy. Manufacturers, by making devices hard to repair, often push consumers to either opt for their often expensive repair services, official repair services, or simply buy a new device. This leads us to a pressing issue: the environmental impact. With the current mindset of dispose and replace, we are contributing to an ever-growing pile of electronic waste, e-waste. Think about the environmental costs of manufacturing a device, the mining of rare earth metals, the energy consumed, and then the waste when we dispose of these devices. On the economic front, devices often have a lifespan influenced by the manufacturer's intent, sometimes referred to as planned obsolescence. This means products are designed to last for only a set period before they need replacement. So how is the world responding? In places like the European Union and parts of the USA, legislatures are fighting back. They are introducing laws to ensure consumers can repair their devices. The aim is dual: promote sustainable consumerism and give rights back to consumers. These rights might be in the form of accessing tools, parts, software, or even just information to repair these devices or their devices. Alright, to know more about this topic, right to repair, so please visit our website and join the course. UPSC Civil Service online course we are offering at iasindepth.com. There will be 126 recorded lectures as per the UPSC syllabus and test series and previous year's question papers practice, class notes for each lectures, and 100 plus flashcards. Thank you all of you.